Thinking for a while, Anusuya sprinkled some water on these three people by uttering some mantras. As she has gained or accomplished physique powers through her spiritual knowledge, what she did by sprinkling that water on these three people, those three people turned into three adorable babies. We are celebrating Datta Jayanti. Today is full moon, that is Purnima of Hindu Margashirsh month. So let's start with the story behind this first. Let's begin. There was a sage named Atri, and he was one of the greatest ancient Indian rishis. Devi Anusuya was his wife. Devi Anusuya was very virtuous wife, and she was completely devoted to her husband. One day, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva decided to test Anusuya's virtuousness. So what they did, they went to Anusuya's door with ascetic appearance. Ascetic appearance means in appearance of sadhu or rishi. So this trinity asked for oblation. These three gods asked for oblation is dan. Dan or something raw food. So they asked Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi, that is, O mother, please offer us raw food. Devi Anusuya was in her kuti, and outside her kuti, in her door, there were three gods. They were asking Bhavati Bhiksham Dehi. So Anusuya came in front of her door and she saw these three people standing in her door. She did not realize previously that these three people are Lord Vishnu, Lord Shiva and Lord Brahma. These three people asked for desired food. Devi Anusuya said, whichever type or whatever type of food you will ask for, I'll offer you. So which type of food or meal you will prefer? Then three gods were in ascetic appearance or in sadhu appearance. They said, Bhavati or mother, you offer us delicious meal with being naked. Devi Anusuya got confused and she got mystified that how someone can ask for such oblation, how someone can ask for such dan. Devi Anusuya was shocked previously, but she regained her control and she thought for a while, the people standing in front of her are not ordinary. These might be some supreme beings. In ancient time, if someone is asking for oblation or dan, people did not used to refuse it. They had to give the oblation or dan. But Devi Anusuya was a virtuous wife. These three people have asked Anusuya a delicious meal being naked. So she was not able to offer such oblation. So she got in confusion and she was thinking how to find the solution in between these two ways. Thinking for a while, Anusuya sprinkled some water on these three people by uttering some mantras. As she has gained or accomplished physique powers through her spiritual knowledge, what she did by sprinkling that water on these three people, those three people turned into three adorable babies. Then Devi Anusuya breastfed these three adorable babies by being naked, as they have wished for such meal. Here Devi Lakshmi, Devi Parvati and Devi Saraswati were wondering where their husbands are. They were searching everywhere and they came onto earth. Then these three goddesses, Devi Lakshmi, Devi Saraswati and Devi Parvati asked Devi Anusuya, they requested Devi Anusuya to return their husbands. So Atri Rishi, who was husband of Devi Anusuya, he sprinkled some water by uttering some mantras, And these three adorable babies got turned into their original form as Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva. Before this Trinity gods, Lord Brahma, Lord Vishnu, and Lord Shiva, live with their wives, they made their divine fusion named Lord Dattatreya, and they kept that baby into swing and they left with their wives. People on Dattatreya Jayanti swing Parna by keeping coconut or Shrifal in that, which is significance of Dattatreya's birthday. Devotees also ask for Madhukari or oblation as the significance of the Trinity have asked for oblation or Madhukari to Anusuya. This happens at 12 noon only. So that's it for now. I'll be back with another video in next week. So stay connected to my channel, subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. I'm Vaishnavi Kulkarni signing off for today.